Hi friend, today I would like to introduce you about the Audi Q5 Android system operations. Firstly, this is the original interface. You can listen to the original radios and press this button to get the sound lower, higher and lower. And through this button we can go into Android interface. This is the home page for our Android system. You can go to media to listen to the music, to this button to get the sound higher, and press to the next song. And we can watch the videos. Through this application, you can download different app from the Google Store. The app you're interested, you can go to YouTube to watch the videos. And we can do the setting from the language. We have multiple main languages in the world. Go to maps, go to navigations. You can go to application, to file manager. You can use the SD functions. To test the GPS satellite. This is Android setting. You can surf the internet. We can also use split screen functions. We can also do the reverse. Press this to make a reverse. This is the Carplay interface. You can use their functions also. Through this app, we can go to Android system. Go to Android mode.